Hello, we're Dan and Andrea, and we've just bought a barn in Wales to make our home. It needs quite a lot of work, but we think we're up for the challenge.
So we've woken up on this beautiful Sunday morning, sun's hitting the hillside opposite, and yeah, we seem to have obtained some new guests in our property.
Hello, where have you come from and whose cows are you? So there's 3 cows in our field, and we don't know how they got in or whose cows they are. So what do you do with stray cows? We're gonna try to get them over there. Okay, girls, go over there, please. Okay. Worked really well. Let's try getting closer. Okay, time to go back to your home. We have some buddies. You don't have to run. I can't go that fast. Oh hey. Are you a conspirator? You stay on that side. Okay, girls. Go on. Keep going the right way. There's more. Oh, and there's bulls. Okay. I'm slightly unhappy about that. So I'm just gonna put my phone away in case drama happens. Nah, do we want it on film? Okay. We're just gonna walk gently. Come on. Come on. Go on, please. Keep going. Keep going. I can hear the bulls behind me getting closer, following along. So that's really unsettling. Okay, I'm actually gonna go tell Dan to close the gate, because if that bull's gonna follow us all the way down, then he's gonna be at the open gate. And I don't really want him to be there when I get there. You win this round. One of the first things we're trying to sort is our power and water. There's no access to grid power at the barn, so we're going to power our home using solar. But to set up solar, we need a shed to store the inverter and batteries. And to build the shed, we need a flat platform on our very not flat land. We've measured out the space for the shed, and now we're taking stones from an old wall further down our hill and using them to build up the platform. Beautiful stone wall, and these are the 2 huge seams that we somehow didn't notice until we got to here. So now we're going to take down from here all the way. We'll keep that guy probably, and then rebuild up. But they obviously crisscross as they go down, so we'll probably have to take down quite a bit. So we'll see. So that's this morning's job. Fix this small mistake. So this is what about 20 tons of MOT type 1 aggregate looks like. There is I think it's about 20 meters squared tarp under there somewhere.